Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2023 Land Rover Range Rover. This SUV came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches at all on this car. Everything here looks fine, and all four wheels are in excellent condition. Now let's have a look inside. Okay, the driver's side is in good condition. Now let's have a look at the passenger side. Okay, the passenger side looks good. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. Start off with the center console. Everything here looks good. I'm not seeing anything worn out at all. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel looks perfect. Excellent. The interior of the system is in condition. Now let's have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.